Welcome to Uping Stock Trend Prediction channel. So in last video 130, I uploaded to YouTube six days ago on May 7th. In that video, I predicted the coming week. Following that prediction, the weekly high is about $178 and the weekly low is $168. The actual weekly low for the week predicted by that video 130, the actual weekly low is $166.6. So basically it's $167. It's just $1 different from what I predicted. The actual weekly high is $177. So it's also just $1 different from what I predicted. So $1 of difference for $178 of stocks, so it's still less than 1% error. It's less than 1% of error or uncertainty, so it's still very good prediction accuracy. So in this video, I talk about the predicted weekly high and the weekly low for the coming week. So today is May 13th. So in the early months, but basically for the last day of last month, I showed this monthly chart. So that's basically these points that's predicted target high, target low, that was generated already before May 1st was started. So basically those trend lines are finalized after the end of April, and I showed that monthly chart during the early of this month. So you see this month is still fluctuated between these two trend lines, and this is a weekly chart. In the last video, basically this weekly high and the weekly low are almost the same as what I predicted. The actual price are just $1 different from what I predicted. And if you check this daily chart, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, they just oscillated, fluctuate around this trend lines in this range. So last Friday is also have a continuous drop from the daily high, from this high price to this daily low, and almost closed below, slightly below this blue trend line. So it's generally dropped down to this low price for that daily. It's a kind of, if you see this weekly chart, it's almost around this yellow trend line. So it's kind of goes to a critical point. Depends on if this yellow trend lines can be held. It's almost closed around on the top of this yellow trend line. So the next week, the fluctuation range is between this range, between $164 and $172. So it depends on if it still have a very strong increasing momentum, it may try to push up a little bit more, up to this $177. So if it can be holded above this yellow trend line, so around this price range, $168, so it will be a very struggle. It may have a little bit more fluctuation around this price range. So to see if it can be held, and if it dropped or opened below or dropped below this yellow trend line, and then it will go to this target low to $164 to this trend line. But if it can hold this and then move upward, and then it will go to this $172 or $173, and may even up to $177. So this is a predicted weekly high and the weekly low, and for early next week it may still have a tendency to drop even down below to this at least to this $166, or it may drop even down to goes to this $163. We'll try to still push up to this yellow trend line, and may push up to this $172. So basically the fluctuation range is still around this range. We switch back to monthly chart. See, for the whole 2 weeks, it's just fluctuate between these two trend lines. This is for the current month, and this trend line, this support can be held, and it's very likely it can be held, and then it may have a tendency to break this yellow trend line, but it will be a kind of a struggle around this range. It may just fluctuate around this range, but it still have a tendency to even drop it down below to this trend line, $144. This yellow trend line may even push it up to $187. That's just for the coming 2 weeks for the end of this month. So if you are interested in this kind of evaluation, you are welcome to subscribe Uping Stock Trend Prediction channel or watch more video in YouTube.